I still remember the day I came in and you were looking so sad. I knew you'd been talking to someone and they had hurt you real bad. To upset you was something real hard to do, because you're so strong down inside. So you told me to sit down, we talked of what happened, and the two of us sat there and cried. Now to see you sat there and all upset now, and for me to know it's not true. It's the person who told you is the one that is hurt, because they're probably just jealous of you. And I never went looking, but it oft crossed my mind. I sometimes think of the other, but deep down inside of this heart of mine, you'll always be my mother. You said somebody told you I found my real man. You were glad, but you didn't mind. It just hurt you that somebody else had to tell you. You thought I'd tell you myself in good time. And often I think what this world would be like if we all were to listen to tales. Love would be torn, hearts would be broken, and true love would be like blunt nails. And the people who gossip and who need an old chat and taking good from people they're fond. So the talk that went on about me and my man has made our love a much stronger bond. You said somebody told you I found my real man. You were glad, but you didn't mind. It just hurt you that somebody else had to tell you. You thought I'd tell you myself in good time. You thought I'd tell you myself in good time.